Okay guys, we're going to go back to Ask Scruff. This is kind of a newbie question. So, new here, and thank you so much for the knowledge and experience. You're very welcome, kid. You're very welcome. Been through We're the Scruff, and the question's at the end of this sentence, so I'll not read it all out. This week, your focus is going to be understanding fibs as well as stops and box of pain. As I'm trying to get accustomed to the MT5, my question is on MT5, is your fib extension expansion levels default or customized? When comparing my settings, yours does not seem to be entirely matched. They're actually just default settings. Now, what I have done, if you bear with me, and I'll pull up an MT5 and I'll kind of show you what it is. So if I get hold of my Fibonacci tool, what you'll see here is it is slightly different in the sense that I've got the extensions on both sides of it. Okay. Now what this does for me, if I flick this up, and I'll just amend this because I actually want to put stop on the 165 while we're talking. So if I go into the properties of the fib, which is here, and then go into the levels, you'll see they're just the same. They're exactly the same. They're just standard all the way through. But on the 161 here, I'll just write in stop, and then this will highlight something for you. When I put it there, so you'll see that I've got a 161 stop here and stop there. These represent my maximum points, and my box of pain is between the 127 and the 161. But as for everything else, the same. Now, what you might be seeing is when I'm on my web trader, I use the extensions as well as the retracement, whereas an MT5, I've just got it all together. Now, on the web trader, I use the expansions to put my madness in, which is at 0, 25, 50, 75, and 100. On MT5, well, I've got my 23.6, so it's just about there. Then I would use the 50. Then I would use the 76.4 and set it just in front of it. And then the 100. So the reason why I do it different on the different platforms is MT5's expansion is a nightmare. So I just find it easier to use the retracement tool and then put the expansions either side, and I can see exactly what's going on without using two tools. Whereas on the web trader, it's actually easier to do it the other way around. I know it sounds a bit odd, but it's just a habit I've got myself into. But in essence, the settings are identical. So it's 0, 23.6, 38.2, 50, 76.4, 100. Then the expansions are 127.2, 161.8, and then if it pushes through, it'll go 261.8. Hope that helps. Catch you soon.